You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this phrase, once and for all correctly. From Spanish, this has different meanings. It means güero. That's the Spanish pronunciation right here, also Mexican Spanish. Güero. It means blonde, somebody who's blonde. Now, El Güero is famous for being a famous Mexican drug trafficker, former, pronounced El Güero. Because you have double dot on the U, it means the U doesn't go with the G. It has its own sound, which is U. Güero. Güero. In English, therefore, usually pronounced as El Güero. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.